Hi, my name's Daniel. I'm part of the technical team here at Hall Technologies, and we're here at ISE 2023, also showing off some of our education room solutions. We've got something on show with a live demo called Apollo, which is our what we also call our technology room kit. That is a central hub that has amplified speaker outputs to connect to sound reinforcement, but we also have a HD base T out, and that HD base T out is connected to our input wall plate that's included in the box. That's multi-inputs with nice easy switching. Maybe that's in a lectern for the educator to be able to choose between their devices that they've got plugged into that. But also included in the box is a 6-button control panel, and that's controlling things like the amplifier back at the TRK1 hub, but also input selection as well. And there's some pieces of control that you can also configure that to do. The idea here is that you've got everything in one box to create a really simple and easy to control classroom space. There's also a really nice feature with these. If you have these in the classroom, and you have maybe 30 of them in a school, there's Windows software where you can page these. So you can send announcements out to one of them, maybe all of them all at once. And it's really designed, for those education spaces, and we're trying to give you everything in the box to make a really simple kit. It's all connected via Cat6, it's all daisy chained together, so it's a really, really simple wiring solution as well. So if you want to find out a little bit more about that, you can visit our website, halltechav.com, and fingers crossed we'll see you on the show floor. Thanks very much.